Maybe confirmation bias has a part to play in this. Attractive black cat remember to wipe vintage retro shirt. She and her tinfoil hat friend circles will pick apart anything the police officer said that supports their ideals and ignore the parts that don't fit them. So she doesn't. Attractive black cat remember to wipe vintage retro shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. It is jarring when Aussies and Kiwis follow popular contemporary American trends out of situ. In this case, refusing a mask as a violation of personal freedoms, fearing police violence, and threatening to sue. Interestingly, today I was reading on their site that they want people to start wearing masks or stop sharing their footage as it is demoralizing their cause. I also read someone's comment which was along the lines that attractive black cat remember to wipe vintage retro shirt. These videos are staged by the sheep, those of us who believe that the virus is real. I am only on the site as I deal with them in my work. It helps to know what they believe their rights are so I can shut them down quicker. Other products.